What's the meaning of co-occurrence? Co-occurrence. Co-occurrence.
Co-occurrence. Co-occurrence. Co-occurrence refers to the frequency with which two or more items appear together in a given context. It is commonly used in natural language processing and computational linguistics to analyze the relationship between words in text data. The co-occurrence matrix is a numerical representation of the co-occurring pairs, which can be used for further analysis such as clustering or dimensionality reduction. By calculating the co-occurrence frequency, we can gain insights into the semantic relationships between words and understand how they are used together in a specific context.